Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Honorable Solomon. I am an inventor of an offhand method of teaching in Western education. Right now, I am going to treat human male reproductive system in the field of biology. Human male reproductive system consists of the following. We have testis, glands such as seminal vesicle, protes gland, and Kappa's gland. We have epididymis, 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 epididymis. Epididymis is located here. It's here. Epididymis. We have nucleum. We have penis. We have prepuce. And we have glans penis. Testis. Testis is an organ that produces sperms. When sperms are produced, they are stored in an organ called epididymis. Epididymis is a coiled tube where sperms are stored temporarily. Sperms get matured in the epididymis. Epididymis helps in storing the sperms. And the testis is responsible for the production of sperms. Testis has some tubules. It has some tubules. Testis has what we call seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules. There are some compartments. There are some compartments in the testis that help in the production of sperms. Those compartments are referred to as seminiferous tubules in the testis, within the testis. After the production of sperms, sperms are stored at the stereo here, called epididymis. There is a tube, a narrow tube, that is connected to the epididymis and the seminal vesicle. This tube is called vas deferens or sperm duct. It has a name. Sperm duct or vas deferens. You can either call it sperm duct or vas deferens. This tube helps, look at it here, look at it here. This tube, this narrow tube, helps in conveying the sperm down the seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle is a gland. It secretes seminal fluid that conveys the sperm down to the fallopian tube in the female genital tract. Seminal vesicle stores sperms temporarily before ejaculation takes place. These three glands, I have seminal vesicle here, I have a protes gland, and I have a carpus gland. Three of them secrete seminal fluids. And this seminal fluid help in conveying the sperms down to the fallopian tube, where fertilization takes place in the female genitalia or in the female genital tract. The seminal fluid helps in neutralizing the acidic nature or the acidic environment in the urethra. In the urethra, there is urine. And this urine carries acidity. It has acids. And this acid has to be neutralized. Seminal fluid neutralizes the acid in the urethra so as to pave way for the sperm to pass through, and at the same time to promote viability of the sperm. When the sperms are moving, they move through this pipe, this tube called sperm duct or urethra. Sperm duct or vas deferens, sperm duct or vas deferens down to the seminal vesicle. Here sperms are said to be stored temporarily. From there, the man will ejaculate the sperm during sexual intercourse. Protes gland secretes seminal fluid. Carpus gland secretes seminal fluid also. And all these seminal fluids, help in conveying the sperm down to the fallopian tube. The seminal fluid also provide nutrients for the sperm. The seminal fluid also destroy the acidity in the environment. Okay? Now, we have a urethra. Urethra. I have a scrotal sac here. Scrotum. Or scrotal sac. You have scrotum or scrotal sac. Functions of the urethra. Urethra is a channel in the penis where urine passes through. Urethra is a channel in the penis where sperms pass through. I have penis here. Penis is an organ that has erectile tissues. It's an organ that has spongy tissues or erectile tissues. It has erectile muscles. Penis becomes stiff when a man is sexually admired. When blood flows into the spongy tissues in the penis, it becomes stiff because it has arteries and veins. When a man is stimulated sexually, the blood will flow into the penis and it becomes stiff. Penis is used for sexual intercourse. It is used for urination. There is a foreskin here. Prepuce. This skin is a skin on the forehead of the penis. It has to be removed. As in circumcision. The prepuce has to be removed. It has to be removed. That's why when a child is born, there is need, when a bouncing baby boy is born, there is need for the prepuce to be removed. Prepuce is a skin on the forehead of the penis. We have a glans penis. Glans penis is the forehead of the penis. And it is very sensitive. Very, very sensitive. Look at the glans penis. Very sensitive. Very sensitive. Very sensitive. It is very sensitive. We have some muscles here that are called gubernaculums. These muscles hold testes in position. They hold testes firmly. They hold testes strongly to avoid unnecessary shaking. Gubernaculums. I have a skin here called scrotal sac. Scrotum or scrotal sac. Scrotum or scrotal sac is a skin that covers the testis. It is a skin that covers the testis. Let me go over it again. Testis is an organ that produces sperms. And when the sperms are stored, are produced, they are stored in a place called epididymis, in a tube called epididymis. In the testis, within the testis, there are some tubules. We call them seminiferous tubules. Those tubules, as you can see them, those tubules, they help in the production of sperms, and they are within the testis. The plural form of testis is this. Testis. If it is one, right? Testis. This one is singular, and this one is plural. This is the singular form of it. This is the plural form. Spermatic cord is another organ. It gives support to the testis. It is a tissue. These are tissues that give support to the testis. Spermatic cord. Some tissues are there assisting the testis, and those tissues are referred to as spermatic cord. So, human male reproductive system consists of the following. 1. testis. 2. Glands, all these glands, seminal vesicle, proteus gland, Talpas gland, they are called glands. 3. Penis itself. 4. Urethra. 5. Vas deferens. Vas deferens or sperm duct. You can either call it sperm duct or vas deferens. Testis. As you can see, testis. Look at testis. Testis. It produces sperms, and not only sperms. Testis produces male sex hormones. For secondary sexual character. Male sex hormones for secondary sexual character. In the case of ovary produces eggs. Not only eggs, ovary produces female sex hormones called estrogen and progesterone. Ovary. Testis produces sperms. 1. It produces male sex hormone called testosterone. Testosterone. Okay. Woman male reproductive system